Stardate 73439.3. The Enterprise build is coming along pretty well. Last night we completed the masking for the secondary nacelle on the right and painted the Aztec masking on the nacelle. Today we'll be removing the mask to reveal the paint job and start the process of wiring up the ship. That's all coming on right now. Okay folks, so last night we completed the paint job on the right side of the other nacelle that needed to be done. I'll be back after I completed removing all of the masking off camera and showcase the outcome of the paint job. We'll be right back. And we're back. Okay folks, so I managed to get the two halves snapped together and hold them with tape so that I can do a test of the lighting of what I got connected so far. Right now the nacelles are connected, the bazaars are connected, part of the lighting on the left hand side of the hull is all set up, and then once I test this stuff I'm going to continue on to the top of the saucer and do some work on the back of the hangar because I still need to do some work back there. But right now we're getting ready to test what we got, and we'll see how it comes out. So here goes. I'm noticing that the nacelles have a reddish color. That's what the camera seems to be picking up, but in reality they're a nice hue of blue. So I'm not sure what's going on with that. The motors seem to be working okay. I did an updated version of the motors. I replaced the ones that it came with some Metal Gear ones, and they seem to be working nicely. They're about 30 RPM, which happens to be a nice speed for this. I could probably slow them down a little bit more, but for now I think they're good. They're a little noisy because, you know, they're rubbing against plastic and stuff, but I'll have to work on that as well and see if I can quiet them down just a bit. I'm going to turn it around, see if I can give you a 360 view. I have to be very careful because this is just being held by tape and snapped together. Nothing is glued in yet, so anything can happen, something can fall off, and hopefully it won't break. This is going to get this little guy here, and it's going to go just like that. And see if I can get a good view of it. Maybe not. Let's try the other one. And you can see the red lights that I got here in the back shining through. If I could get the angle a little better, you can see all of them, but it lights up pretty nice. I still got a lot of work to do on it. The next thing will be to continue wiring up the saucer section and then start doing the weathering effect that I'm planning on doing on this ship. So we'll see how that turns out. That about wraps it up for this update. We'll see you around next time.